Hello everyone! So today I wanted to talk a little bit about how constant care for Kentico can help you keep an eye on your system health. So see if this situation sounds familiar. You're planning on a new campaign, you've made sure everything is thought out and working correctly. You've checked and rechecked to make sure marketing automation workflows are set up like they should be, and that you're receiving the emails just like a customer would. Halfway through the campaign though, you realize you aren't getting the scheduled emails. After digging into the issue with your IT team, you discover that no emails have been delivered for over a week. Turns out someone somewhere changed a setting on your email server that broke your marketing site's ability to send emails. The change on the email server was an issue, but the bigger problem was that no one knew there was a problem until you noticed you weren't getting the emails. What happens next time if you don't notice, or you forget to sign yourself up for the campaign? Situations like this are exactly why we built Constant Care. Our system health checkups include checks to make sure your Kentico Xperience site is delivering emails as expected. So whether the issue is on the Xperience side or somewhere else, you'll know right away if emails aren't being delivered and you won't lose any time getting things fixed up. Being able to react quickly when things go wrong is great, but what's even better is having the information you need to be proactive and fix things before an issue even occurs. Wouldn't it be great to avoid downtime with advance notice? I mean, do you know whether your version of Kentico Xperience is out of date and no longer supported? Would you know if your SQL or web servers are running out of storage space, or does that often get discovered after things begin to slow down? Constant Care sends you valuable information every day that's loaded with helpful suggestions to keep your site running effortlessly in easy to understand language. Of course, you can always reach out to the Toolkit for Kentico team if you need a hand with anything. Don't stay in the dark. Come check out toolkitforkentico.com and start a free trial.